in that the electromagnetic relay. The electromagnetic relay are those the relay which operates on the principle and electromagnetic attraction. It is a type of the magnetic switch which is used for that the magnet and for creating the magnetic field. The magnetic field then us uses for that the opening and closing the switch for that the performing and that the mechanical operation. The type of that the electromagnetic relay, the first one type is that the electromagnetic attraction relay, and that the second type is that the electromagnetic induction relay. Its working on principle for that the electromagnetic relay is mainly classified into that the two types. These are the electromagnetic attraction relay, and second one is that the electromagnetic induction relay. In that the electromagnetic attraction relay, in this relay the armature is attracted to pole of the magnet, and the electromagnetic force exerted on that the moving the element is proportional to that the square of current and that the flow through that the coil. This relay responds to the both alternating and direct current. For that the AC quantity, the electromagnetic force is developed given by that the Fe, that means the force exerted, the Ki is equal to K, that means I is equal to I max sin omega t square, whereas the 1 upon 2K into 1 square max and that the minus I square max into cos 2 omega t. The above equation shows that the electromagnetic relay consists the two components, one constant independence of that the time, and that the another is that the dependent upon that the time, and the pulsating at that the double supply frequency. This double supply frequency produce the noise and hence the damage of that the relay contact. The difficulty of that the double frequency supply is overcome by that the splitting the flux developing in that the electromagnetic relay. These fluxes were acting simultaneously but the differ in that the time phase. Thus the resulting deflecting force is always positive and constant. The splitting and fluxes is achieved by that the using electromagnetic having that the phase shifted network and by the putting the shading rings on that the poles of that the electromagnet. The electromagnetic attraction relay is the simplest type of that the relay, which includes the plugger, hinged armature, rotating armature, and that the moving iron polarized relay. All this relay as shown in that the figure. In that the figure, the first one relay is that the balanced beam relay. In such a type of that the relay, the two quantity are compared because the electromagnetic force is developed varies as the square of that the ampere turn. The ratio of an operating current for such a relay is low. If the relay is set for that the fast operation, then it will be tend to overreach. That means the on that the faster operation. The second one is that the hinged armature type. In that the relay type, the sensitivity of that the relay can be increased for that the DC operation by adding the permanent magnet. This relay is also known as that the polarized moving relay. Then second, that means the electromagnetic induction relay. In that the induction relay, whereas the electromagnetic relay operates the principle the split phase induction motor. The initial force is developed on that the moving element, that may be disc or another form of that the rotor of the non-magnetic moving element. The force is developed by that the interaction of that the electromagnetic fluxes with that the eddy current that is induced by that the rotor of this the fluxes. That means the different types of that the structure has been used to obtaining in that the phase differences in the fluxes. These structure are, that means the four types: the shaded pole structure, watt Horner meter, induction cup structure, and that the shaped pole structure. In that the shaded pole structure, induction disc relay, this coil is usually energized by that the current following in the single coil wound on that the magnetic structure that containing the air gap. The air gap fluxes produces by the initializing current in the split into the two flux duplexes in that the time space and by a shaded ring. The shaded ring is made up copper ring and that the entity circle for that the part of that the pole, and each pole faces of that the each pole. This disc is made up of that the aluminum. The inertia of the aluminum disc is very less, hence they needed for that the deflating torque of that the movement. The two rings have that the current induced them by that the alternating flux of that the electromagnetic. The magnetic field develops from that the current produces the flux in that the portion of that the iron ring surrounded by that the ring to lag in phase by that the 40 degree or that the 50 degree behind the flux in the unshaded portion of that the pole. The next is that the watt Horner meter type of the induction disc relay. This structure consists the E-shaped electromagnetic and U-shaped electromagnet with the disc free for that the rotate between them. The phase displacement between in that the fluxes there the produced by that the electromagnetic is obtained by that the flux generated and the two magnet having the different resistors and the inductions for that the two circuits. The E-shaped electromagnet carries the two winding and the primary winding and secondary winding. The primary current was carrying the relay current while the secondary winding is connected through that the winding for that the U-shaped electromagnet. Okay, then the primary winding carries the relay current I, while the secondary winding current induced for that the EMF and the secondary and so circulate for that the I2. Whereas the flux is the phi 1 induces in that the E-shaped magnet and the flux is the phi induced U-shaped magnet. These fluxes induced the upper and lower magnetic differs the phase angle by that the theta, which will develop the driving torque and the disc proportional for that the phi 1 and phi for that is the sine theta. The most important feature of that the relay is the opening can the control their operation and the close the secondary winding circuit. If the secondary winding is opened, then the no torque will be the developed and thus this relay can be made the inoperative. In that the third type for that the induction cup relay, in that the induction cup relay, the relay is which is work on principal electromagnetic induction is known as the induction cup relay. The relay has that the two more electromagnet which is organized by or that the energized by that the relay coil. The static iron core is placed between the electromagnetic as shown and that the figure. The coil which is wound on that the electromagnet generate the rotating magnetic field. Because it's the rotating magnetic field, the current induces inside the cup and thus the cup is started for that the rotating. The direction of that the rotation of cup is same that of the current and the more torque is produced, the induction cup relay is compared for that the shaded and the wattmeter is that type of that the relay. The relay is that the fast operation and there the operating time is the very less, that means the approximately 0.01 second. Here overall for that the electromagnetic relay. Then next for that the limit switch. What is meant by that the limit switch? The limit switch is the type of the sensor that detects the presence and that the absence of that the object. It is can mechanically be activated by making the contact with the another object. It has some the sort of that the arm, lever, knob, plugger to make the for that the detection. As overall for that the object the makes contact with the actuator of the switch, and it is eventually moves the actuator to its limit where the contact change the state. Through this mechanical action, electrical contact or for that the opened or that the closed. The function of that the limit switch is that the detecting presence or that the absence. It's for that the counting. It's used for that the detecting range of that the movement, or it's used for that the detecting position and travel limit. Also the braking for that the live circuit when unsafe condition arise, and that the detecting speed. In that the limit switch for that the construction for that the actuator is the part of that the switch which is physically comes in that the contact with that the target. In some limit switches the actuator is attached to and that the operating head with the translate for that the rotatory, linear or that the perpendicular motion to open or close the electrical contact of their switch. That means the mechanical limit switch actuator are the available in that the many shapes and the size for the based on their functionality and its application. The momentary limit switch actuator are available in that the many shapes and that the size based on their actuator released object. It's that the sensing. The maintained limit switch will remain the actuated position even after the actuator has been released. In that the component for that the limit switch type, the first types of that the roller lever, the second is the adjustable roller lever, the third is the roller plugger, rod lever, flexible rod, cable pull, rotative axis. Here the type of that the limit switch. In that the application for that the limit switch is that the machine tools, whereas the metal fabrication equipment, pressure transfer lines and that the special machinery. And second one is that the material handling equipment, that means in that the material the evaluator, cranes and that the hostes. Packing machinery and that the process equipment, also used for that the textile machinery. In that the used for that the control cabinets or that the garage doors. In that the advantages of that the limit switch is that the it can switch the high current up to the 10 ampere. It is high precise and that the accuracy and that the repeatability. It is and that the economic sensing solution. It can withstand the toughest environment condition. It is consume the little electrical energy. It can be control the multiple loads. It has the compact size. It is easy to install. Also disadvantages of that the limit switch is that the it must be make the physical contact with an object to that the actuate. The mechanical component can wear out and that the generally restricted to equipment operating the relative low speed. That means the overall for that the limit switch.